Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark Potts, and this is Design Bid Build. At the dedication ceremony, the owner expressed satisfaction with the school building, but dismay. The project ended up being over its original $7.5 million budget. He did not seem to feel the reasons for this were entirely caused by the owner. Do you think this project was typical of a design bid build project and why? Yes, I actually do because it is a school, and by using the design bid process, you can see who is the best candidate. Also, the school ended up making a few upgrades in the project. Why do you think some of the contractors dropped out during the bidding process? Me personally, I think some of the contractors dropped out because the owner decided to make a few upgrades, which changed the price. And the contractors probably had their own plans on what they were going to do and how much they were going to spend and the certain materials that they were going to get. And when when the owner decided to change like what he wanted to do, the contractors probably got frustrated because they probably already bought the materials and whatnot. And the owner decided to upgrade wiring for technology in classrooms, causing a change of order, and that change ended up being $172,000. What do the result of the four submitted bids indicate to you? Explain why do you think it was or was not a good bid? I think that they were good bids initially. The budget was set for 7.5 million, and with the bids that the contractor submitted, none of them were over the limit until the owner wanted to make upgrades. And again, the owner making those upgrades raised the budget by $172,000. Does a difference in the amount between any of the bidders mean anything? To me, yes, because with the more bidders you have, the more options you have, and you won't be limited to only a few options. Besides being responsible for the design, the architect had other roles on the project. Where were they? The architect was responsible for overseeing the architectural aspects of the development of the design, as well as production of the construction documents and specifications. Was this a good application of design bid build delivery method? Is there additional information you need to answer this question? If so, what would it be? I actually think it was a good use of the design bid build method, but I don't think they were successful because they were $7.5 million over the budget, and then with the classroom that also contributed to the 7.5 million by throwing in another $172,000 by changing the wiring, the electrical that the owner decided to change. Did sparing doctrine highlighting the owner's responsibility for the architect's performance come into play on this project? No, it did not, and not in this project. Again, my name is Mark Potts, and thank you for listening. And this is Design Bid Build.